SquarePants, get over here!
Yes, Mr. Krabs?
Why is it so hot in the Krusty Krab?
You might want to ask Squidward, Mr. Krabs.
That
Finally, the warmth and the Krusty Krab.
Hey, Squidward, I got some good news, Mr. Squidward.
Mr. Krabs, what's the good news? And it better be good, Mr. Krabs.
Well, Squidward, I'm giving you a week off from the Krusty Krab because I know you've been working hard, Squidward. So I'm going to let you off for 1 week. How about that, Mr. Squidward? You're on vacation.
Wait, really, Mr. Krabs? Yeah! No more seeing SpongeBob for a whole week! Hell yeah! Thank you so much, Mr. Krabs!
Hey, Squidward, there's a bonus.